This is hourly chart. First, okay, it's all right. Now, basic thing. If we know the technical analysis, then the Fibonacci can create magic. And even if we don't know the technical analysis, Fibonacci always helpful for us. So it's a basic tool. One can use even without knowledge of even the basic of technical analysis. Whole world, everything on earth has certain parameters and certain ratio regarding each other, like our hands, our body, our feet, face have some relation to each other. That is discovered and now called Fibonacci. So this is the Fibonacci scale. In simple Fibonacci, the ratio scientists discovered are first 23.6 from 0 to 23.6, then 38, then 61.8, and lastly 100%, 78 and 100%. Now, after some timing, this 50% line also included, but in the original Fibonacci, this 50% line is not there. So ratios are 23.6, 38.2, 61.8, 78.6, and 100%. Now, if there is any movement, whether up or down, any wave, the next wave follows will be either 23%, 38, 61, 78, or 100%, and even 127% and 161% and 250%. These are the certain ratios. So if we can able to pick high or low of the move, I repeat, if we are able to pick high or a low, lowest point or highest point of a move, then we can 100% sure about the next move. But thing is, whether we are pinpoint to pick the high or low. Now here a simple chart of hourly chart of Nifty of last few days. Now the whole screen is in front of all of you. Now I am starting picking high and lows first. Now in this screen, this is the low point, high point of move, again a low point. Now let me start. Let me start from a single point. Then we will carry on. We mark this as a low point. Okay. Now if this is the lowest point of a down move, then this was the last wave. So next move will be in relation to the last wave. So suppose the low I marked as a 0. Okay. Now the 78.6, this one is always a trend changer. Suppose a down move is there, and once this is taken out 78.6%, roughly we called it 80%, then the effect of whole down move is over, and next reverse trend is on, gap up. And what are the next targets? First 127, 168%, and you can see here the whole Fibonacci scale was taken over with a single gap up. Now this was a big gap up, that's why we cannot able to mark more points. Now just see, I am marking here, this was a down move, then reverse was around 38%, not more than 50%. Now once this 78% was not taken out, the move was down. So here we can sort the market with the stop loss of 5659. So this is a perfect stop loss, whether the move up or down, we can use 78% mark as a safe stop loss. Now the next move, next was this up wave from this was the wave. I have to change this because wave is on downside, so I am marking 0 on upside and 100 on downside. Now you see the whole next up move. Once it started down, I marked with Fibo scale, and you can see the down move was exact 127.2% of this whole up move. So these are the point: 100%, 125%, 78. We can pick any wave, and by this wave we can predict next move. The downside, now here you can see what was the down move,